So we are studying the connective tissue. In this connective tissue, today we are studying the dense connective tissue. Last time we have studied about the loose connective tissue. Next one is the dense connective tissue. In dense connective tissue, the fibers are in dense connective tissue, the fibers and fibroblasts are fibrocytes are compactly packed So in this connective tissue, the fibers and the fibroblasts are compactly packed. On the basis of orientation of fibers, on the basis of orientation of fibers, dense connective tissue is of two types. On the basis of orientation of fibers, dense connective tissue is of two types. Number one is dense regular, and next one is the dense irregular. First A. Dense regular connective tissue, and B is dense irregular connective tissue. So it is of two types. One is dense regular connective tissue and other is dense irregular connective tissue. So we have just discussed one by one. First one is dense regular connective tissue. First we are studying dense regular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. In dense regular connective tissue, in dense regular connective tissue, the fibroblasts tissue, the fibroblasts are fibrocytes. In dense regular connective tissue, the fibroblasts are fibrocytes lie in a single row lie in a single row in between the bundles of white fibers. White fibers, and that is collagen fiber. So here in dense regular connective tissue, the fibroblast or the fibrocytes lie in a single row in between the bundles of the white fibers or the collagens. So you can draw a diagram. So we can draw the diagram here. So is found in between. This is one row in form here. This is another row, and where these are the found as the form the cells. So many cells are there. These are the fibroblast cell, and these cells are found in a another row. And so many fibers are there. These are mainly the collagen fibers. So these are a large number of these cells, fibers, and in between the fibers there are these are the so many fibers, and these are the collagen fibers are the white fibers. So these are the fibers. Collagen or white fiber. White fiber, and these are the cells, and name of these cells are fibroblast cells. These are the fibroblast cells. and these are the fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells. We can consider more than one cell. So fibroblast cells. So this is the structure of dense connective tissue. This is dense connective tissue. It is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue, and that is the tendon tissue. This is tendon. This is the example of the tissue that is called the tendon. So, and due to the presence of more line you can write here. Due to the presence of a large number of or numerous white fibers. White fibers, the white fibers, dense connective tissue, dense connective tissue as tendon, as tendon is connective tissue are very tough and inelastic. Are very tough and inelastic. So these are about the dense connective tissue. In dense regular connective tissue, the fibroblast oblique fibrocytes lie in a single row in between the bundles of the white fibers. Due to the presence of numerous white fibers, dense connective tissue are very tough and elastic. So next one is the neck tissue, or we have to study dense irregular connective tissue. Next one is the dense irregular connective tissue. B. Now we have to study B, dense irregular connective tissue. Second one is dense irregular. Examples of dense regular connective tissue is the tendons. Now next one is the tissue dense irregular. Dense irregular connective tissue. In dense irregular connective tissue, so dense irregular connective tissue. in dense irregular connective tissue, the fibroblasts are as name indicates, in dense irregular connective tissue, the fibroblasts and fibers are irregularly arranged in the matrix. In dense irregular connective tissue, the fibroblasts and fibers are irregularly, or we can write scattered. In dense irregular connective tissue, the fibroblasts and fibers are irregularly arranged, arranged in matrix. In matrix, so these are elastic and it is elastic and flexible. It is elastic and flexible. Why it is elastic and flexible? Due to the presence of due to the presence of yellow fibers, presence of yellow, and yellow, it is another name of yellow fiber is that is called elastin. Presence of yellow, it is elastic and flexible due to the presence of yellow elastin fibers. It also contains the white fibers, but their number is less in comparison to the elastin fibers. So these are flexible and elastic. Examples is the ligament. Ligament joints bones together, as I told you that the dense regular connective tissue. Example is the tendon. Tendon joins bones with the muscles. Tendon joins bone with the muscles, while ligaments joints bone together. And we can draw a diagram of dense connective tissue. That example of this tissue is the ligament. So we can draw a diagram and So you can draw diagram in such a way. And you know that these are the modified areolar tissue. These are the modified areolar tissue. So most of the cells are found as these are the yellow fibers. These are the yellow fibers. Yellow fiber. And here mast cells. We can draw diagram first, and diagram we can make as one diagram of fibroblast cell. First we can draw diagram of the fibroblast cells. This is the fibroblast cell, and also mast cell. Mast cell, it is also present here. Mast cell is also present here, and white fibers are also present. White fibers. This is the white fiber. White fibers, and this is the mast cells. Mast cell. So all the cells what we have studied, these cells are present, and macrophages also present here. Macrophages, and macrophages we can draw in diagram of this is the macrophages. So this is the macrophage. Macrophages. So these are the examples of, this is the diagram of dense irregular connective tissue. Here is so both diagrams are given. So this is the diagram of dense irregular this is dense irregular connective tissue, dendricate, humerate, ligament. So this is about connective tissues, and in connective tissues we have one more remains which we will discuss next day, that is the specialized connective tissue. Thank you. That's all.